Hello, welcome back to WINFXTRADING YouTube channel, the channel that has been optimized to make you rich trading the Forex synthetic market. Doing this video because I see a need to do it, and a lot of people are missing out of opportunities in crypto space because of lack of big capital. And the aim of this video is to help you secure big capital to invest in crypto tokens, especially in this Hamster Kombat that is gonna launch this month, July, but nobody knows the date. They might shift the launch date to next month, and whatever. We are going to discuss about all this. The topic is how everyone can make massive money from Hamster Kombat crypto tokens. Okay, it's not only Hamster Kombat but other crypto tokens that are going to be launching in the future. So that's good. I'm going to read the document and see where we are going to see how we're going to flow. So here in this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can generate at least $5,000 to invest in Kombat Hamster. Let's correct this. This should be Hamster Kombat. Okay. So the first step is you have to create a boomcrash trading account. Okay. You have to create a boomcrash trading account with deriv official link. Okay, so what is deriv? Deriv is a broker that offers a synthetic market. Synthetic market is a market that runs 24/7 and is a simulated market that is unaffected by news. And so you have to create an account. So you have to check the video description. The description part of this video, you are going to see the link. What I mean is this: come to WINFXTRADING YouTube channel. Of course, in the description of this video, you will also see the YouTube channel link. For other purposes. So you just pick a video, look for a video, open a video. You can open this video like this. When you open a video, you wait for it to load. So when the video loads, you go to more and then go to recommended broker. You will see the first recommended broker, the one that say create account, the one that say create your free trading account here to trade V's, boomcrash, FS cryptos. So this is the one you are going to click. You are going to click on this link. It will basically take you to your Chrome and open the broker's site. Is this broker that will provide you with boomcrash trading asset. So you create account here. Just put your email address. If you want to create account, you start by putting your email address. So you see where it writes open a demo account. You click on open a demo account and you put your email address and then click on agree. You put your email address, this place, and then you click on agree, and then you click on create a demo account, and then you go ahead. Once you do this, you go ahead and verify your email and then add real accounts. And then when you are done with this, you are going to meet me. You are going to contact me on Telegram. You are going to send me a DM so that I send you a video of how to add boomcrash market to your trading MT5. when you have registered with this website, send me a screenshot of the registration. Send me a screenshot of your account that you have registered. Okay. You also need to make a deposit of at least $10, depending on how much you want to make. If you are targeting $5,000, then that must be $10 in your account. If you are targeting times 10, like if you are targeting $50,000, that must be $100 in your account. The higher your account, the more the actual target you will get to increase, because I'm going to teach you how this thing works. Okay, so you have to send me a screenshot that I have deposited $10. Then after that, you must use the link that is in the YouTube. That's the first criteria. If you didn't use the link, then you will not be able to achieve the target, because I'm the one that will show you how this thing is going to work. So when you have done this, you are going to the next thing is that I'm going to send you a video course, one or two video courses, one or two video courses. You are going to watch those videos, okay, and then you are going to start trading. After you have watched the video, you are going to start trading. When you realize the target in a couple of days, because if you start as early as possible, you must have realized your targets before the launch of Hamster Kombat or any other future cryptocurrency that is going to be launched. Then you are going to use that money to invest in cryptocurrency. Let me show you one thing that you need to know here. This is the Hamster Kombat community, and one thing here is that this community is almost 50 million subscribers. This is a very great volume, that can make this cryptocurrency pump 10 times to 100 times. So if it pumps 10 times, for instance, and you just have a $10 account, you wasted that opportunity, because you are just going to get $100, and that can't buy you a house. It can't do anything for you. The essence of investment is to achieve something, right? Okay. So you want to get enough capital by using the ideas I'm showing you in this video. You want to build enough capital to invest in this opportunity. Why you should actually be so curious about this is because this opportunity is realistic. They are real, because their followers is much, and one of the things that make a cryptocurrency to have value is when the higher number of users. Okay, when the higher number of users, actually investing or investment is risky, so you only invest what you can afford to risk, something that cannot affect you emotionally. Okay, that's one of the major investment advice, but that's by the way. Okay, so one of the biggest challenges investors in crypto space have is lack of capital when the opportunity launches. So that's what I want to do. I want to solve that problem. That little capital you have, you don't need to put it in cryptocurrency. You don't need to put $10 in cryptocurrency. You don't need to put $100 in cryptocurrency. It's going to waste. The reason why it's going to waste is because cryptocurrency is pump and dump financial environment. You don't want to hold a coin for a very long time, because it will dump, and that's how the exchanges the owner of those projects make money. Don't just think that all the cryptocurrency is going to have the same behavior like Bitcoin and Ethereum and Litecoin, all those big crypto backbones. No, no. The actual cryptocurrencies that actually move the crypto market are meme coins and shit coins, because they attract more individuals, they attract more human beings to the crypto space. So they're the one that move it, not necessarily the Bitcoin and Ethereum and Litecoin. Those ones are just there, for long term. But the main coins, the shit coins, they are there for short term. And you see, after some time, they will delist some token. How will you feel when you try to hold a token for a long time thinking that it's going to make you rich and wealthy, and they delisted it? Your money is gone and you wasted your energy and time, and you are growing old, you are not making this money. What a hell, what a fuck are you going to do with money when you are 50? What the hell are you going to do with money? What the fuck are you going to do with money when you are about 5, when you are 40? You need to make money. Okay, it's not that I'm going to discriminate anybody anyway, but the truth is, what the hell are you going to use money for when you are 60 or 50? So if you are between the age of 18 to 50 years, this video is for you. Make money and enjoy it before you leave this planet. Okay, and the only way is to follow the real experts in financial industry, and this is WINFXTRADING for you. You have to convert that your small capital to a big capital so that you can make the you can make a big profit in this crypto pump before it dumps. Okay, so this is what I have for you, and basically I might be touching some other few things. You see, once I help you to set up your account, because I'm gonna show you the video on how to do this, basically you should have sent me those screenshots so that I will be able to give you the instruction and video. So the asset you should be trading is this asset: cash 1000, boom 500, cash 300, boom 1000, boom 500. So the boom and crash market. Okay, so it's a very cool market. Okay, it's a very cool market. uh let's consider cash 500. Let's consider cash 500. It's a very cool market. Let's consider cash 500. Okay, you see that this market have a peculiar behavior. It have a peculiar behavior. So I'm going to devise a system that will help you generate massive profit from this market. This market, like a cash market, is a market that moves steadily up and suddenly crash or spike downwards. And a boom market, I'm going to use boom 1000 as an example. I'm gonna use 1000 as an example. A bull market is a market that always moves downwards and suddenly spike to the upside. In this system, we shall only be trading the direction, the default direction, those gradual movement. That's what we shall be trading, because the most time the spike is not predictable, and as a result it might lead to wiping of account, because the system, the trading system I'm deploying to make our dream come true is it is called reinvestment or rollover system. Reinvestment or rollover system. And in this kind of reinvestment, we are reinvesting all the profit and the initial capital, and using a valid system that never fails. Okay, so that is the key factors here. I'm still working on the system, and optimizing it to make sure it is 100%. So thank you, keep coming. Make sure you use my link, the affiliate link, which is basically my link, because if you just register with this company and you just visit the site on Google, you're gonna meet fake sites. A lot of fake websites exist, so you have to. And another reason why you should use the link is that if you didn't use the link, you will not be able to get the system. You will not be able to get the strategy that will convert your low capital to a bigger amount, which is basically 500 times. Yes, imagine putting $10 and you make $5,000. That is 500 times. Imagine putting $100 and you make $50,000. That is 500 times. You cannot receive this 500 times, okay, when you didn't use the link. So you have to do something. Okay, thank you and bye for now.